Trump parade today. Happy birthday, Niall!
We made it!
I also got my new helmet. Here it is. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to the lake. It is Niall's birthday. Happy birthday, Niall. Niall is Sterling's older brother, and he's the one who has like the 3 cutest kids in the world. Sterling's at work till 3, so he's gonna take his motorcycle down when he gets off work, and it's just gonna be us and Sterling's parents and then Niall's family. Other news, it is the Trump parade today. That's why we're leaving right now to go watch the Trump parade, because go Trump. Woo. Also, you guys, I got fake eyelashes. We hit a little bit of traffic. It's because everyone's slowing down to see the boat. Okay, so we just made it to the cabin. I have the GoPro, so it's gonna be some good footage today. Me, Sandy, and JD are gonna hurry and jump on the boat, and we're gonna go watch the parade and kind of join it. And Niall and the kids and Brittany are on their way, so it's gonna be a blast, and I'm so excited. Dave and Julie and their whole family's here, so the dock is just filled with kids, and it's a party. Our family's here. Happy birthday, Niall.
We made it.
You guys finally made it. Hello.
Wow.
Hey. We're back on the dock. It was kind of really hard to film because there were so many big waves. I was like falling out of my seat and I couldn't see because of my eyelashes, and it was rough. We caught like the very end of it, so when we got there to the dam, it was like everyone was spreading out in different ways, so it was hard to film, so I kind of missed it, but it's fine. Stella Bum is here. She's eating her daily 5-minute snack. What's your name? Oh, okay. I'm gonna go get in the water now with the GoPro and try to film. The water isn't very like clear here at the lake, so it's not gonna like look cool under the water, but I mean this can get wet and the camera I'm filming with right now can't get wet, so I'm gonna try and film more with this just so my camera doesn't get wet. I'm filming with my GoPro now. We're gonna go get in the water, me and Stella. It'll get warm.
We came to the lake and Maren's brought her cool camera.
Brittany's wearing some pretty cool sunglasses. There's JD and his feet.
About sunscreen.
What?
I don't know. I left my Coke on the freaking.
Oh no. Oh yeah, Dallin, I'm wearing your life jacket. It's a little big, but it's fine. I like how your floaty is just all the way on your back. I'm chilling. the water for like 2 hours. Sterling's on his way. Brittany and I just took my GoPro out with the jet ski, so I'm gonna put that footage in right now. Let's see what they did. Okay, I've been in the water literally all day. My fingers are wrinkly because I've just sat in the water. Sterling just got here, but we're actually all going up to the cabin to eat, and then I think we're going home. There he is. You're finally here. Oh. Stella, where'd you go?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Niall. Happy birthday to you.
I'll go get my mouth. How many girlfriends does he have?
Niall!
68, 7? 3 at least.
Four girlfriends. She's out of here. Yay! Yay!
My favorite toothbrushes.
Oh my
It's the same.
God.
I got a smartphone and internet.
I'm riding home with Niall and Brittany and the kids, and Sterling rode his motorcycle down, so he has to ride it back, and so he's not riding with us, but we will follow him on the motorcycle. My husband, he's so cute. We're home. It was red. He ran a red light.
It was like red, and then you came up on the intersection.
I drew that, yeah.
T-shirts.
More shirts.
United States of America.
And to the Republic.
One nation under God, indivisible with
It looks like a Halloween thing from Menards.
Hey Stella, are you tired?
It's got a good.
It looks
All
good.
you girls look cute in it, and I look
That's cool.
like a marshmallow.
Yeah. Hashtag wearing your boys' clothes to look cute.
I think it's cute.
I
Dude,
look like,
staple it like on Workaholics.
yeah.
A onesie.
They're
You have the cutest curls. Hey guys, so me and Sterling and Niall are going to ride our bikes to Walmart because all Niall wants to do for his birthday is play the new Tony Hawk game. So we're gonna go buy it at Walmart. I also got my new helmet. Here it is. It's pretty cute. Also, I can't film while I'm on the bike because number one, it's dark, so it's not really good footage. Number two, I don't have a GoPro mount on this helmet, so I can't film, but I will just start vlogging when we get to Walmart. So we made it to Walmart, but we didn't bring masks, so they let us in if we wore our helmets. This is so funny.
Oh wait.
Oh yeah, there you go. I mean, this covers us more than a mask does, so. only 2 more. They're both getting it. Since you have a white helmet now, you can see the bug juice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's pretty bad.
There's like blood.
It's all over the front too. Well,
yeah.
Not as bad as the rest.
Okay, we got the game, so now we are going to go back to Niall's house and play it, and I'm probably just gonna sit there and watch TikToks, to be honest. Sterling, smell him.
Oh, goodness.
Did you have a long day today? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh no! Oh no! The boys are setting up their games. Yeah, this is how Brittany changes his diaper. Axel! This was you guys' only goals today. Okay, so apparently all Niall actually wants for his birthday is for all of us to run up a hill. So we're all gonna go run up the hill. Austin and Alex are here too. So there's more people. Yeah, he wants to start right now. What time is it? 11 o'clock. Here we all are.
Okay, is this a race? Are we racing?
No. What?
Yeah,
I'm not
we're,
going.
Alright.
we're racing.
I'm not. It has to
Well.
What? No.
I'm gonna fall. Keep going. Brittany, come on. I did it.
I gotta go. There's bugs everywhere.
Niall, did you or Sterling win?
Sterling won.
Oh, he didn't let you win on your birthday? Are you kidding
I
me?
was even saying that, like, Sterling, if you love me, let me win.
Oh my gosh, did that just
I don't like him that much.
Good night, Brittany.
3.0.
Hi, we're making Maren go ride her bike downtown. It's midnight and she's really tired, but she's a good person and she wants to have fun.
Okay, so I decided to vlog. Sorry I look like a hobo. My hair is very ugly. It's been in like water today and on a motorcycle, so it's pretty bad. But we're hanging out with just some people downtown and riding the bikes. There is another change of plans. Me and Sterling are still at Niall's. It's 2 a.m. and we decided we're gonna have a sleepover with Niall.
Yeehaw!
I'm gonna start editing this video actually, and the boys are just gonna stay up playing Tony Hawk.
The gift that keeps on giving at 2 a.m. after your birthday.
Yeah, it's still your birthday.
Best friend forever.
I like your setup, Sterling.
Thanks.
Looks cozy.